Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video, will the markets crash after election results? A report. The first phase of elections are over. Another 6 phases to go over the next 1.5 months until 1st June. The vote counting will happen on 4 June 2024. The movement of the Indian stock markets after 4 June will depend on the election results and also on the margin of victory. Some news reports which came today as per the report by Bernstein. The heading is Lok Sabha election results may send stock markets tumbling, warns Bernstein. The next heading, NDA's 400 par dream faces reality check, Bernstein report suggests. As per the latest report by global research and brokerage company Bernstein Societe Generale Group, the Indian stock markets have factored in a number close to 350 seats for BJP and almost 400 for the NDA. It believes that if they get 50 seats lesser, around 300 odd for BJP and around 350 for NDA, it would be perceived as below expectation and that could be a market correction. Summary of various opinion polls as per Bernstein report. News 18 Nielsen report opinion poll, they expect NDA to get 411 seats in the Lok Sabha. India TV CNX 393 seats. Z News Matris 390. Times Now ETG 386, NewsX 380, ABP Sea Water 373, and the average of all this is 388 seats. In his last parliament speech in February, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that BJP would win 370 seats while the NDA would secure a total of 405 seats in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Markets have been strong since November 2023. It is very close to all-time high, and part of the optimism is because there is hardly any uncertainty of change in government. So all the policies will be continued and hence businesses need not worry. This is a positive factor for stock markets. Usually when the government changes and the ruling party is not able to retain power, then there is a lot of uncertainty of what changes the new government will implement. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the NDA had won around 353 seats, out of which 303 were of BJP. This time they are aiming for 400 plus seats for NDA, which means that the additional 50 seats needs to come from South India, where it had won just 5 out of 101 seats in 2019. So the NDA has to win more seats, especially in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, apart from Karnataka, if it has to cross the 400 mark. As per the report by Bernstein, the markets could be looking for a reason to correct and may overreact if the expected victory margin is lower. Although it won't matter whether NDA gets 350 or 400 because it's a simple and clear majority, however, it is just the sentiment which may be impacted in the short term. So whether you are interested in politics or not, you need to track the election results to know how it could impact the stock markets. As of now, Nifty is up 15% since November 2023. It has been a very good period, especially for mid-cap and small-cap stocks. They have appreciated a lot in the last 1 year. Only some large-cap stocks have rallied, while others have not done so well. Nifty performance after elections. I have given the summary for the last 5 general elections. In election year 1999, Nifty 50 returns after 6 months. When you took the period for the 6 months after the election results, it was 21%. 2004, 32%. 2009, 13% positive, 2014, 18.78, 2019, 1.12%, and 2024, we need to see how it will perform. So if you see, all the 5 times, 6 months returns of Nifty 50 after elections has been positive and it has been quite high. Although, most of the times markets have rallied after elections, we need to see what happens this time. The 6 months performance of Nifty after elections has been good after the past 5 elections. It does not mean that markets have to immediately rally after election results. It could rise even after 1 to 2 months after the election results announcement, because it may fall a bit, then it can rise and 6 months returns could be positive. So anyhow, the market can react. So it's going to be an interesting next few months for markets with local and global factors impacting the direction, including Iran-Israel conflict and oil prices rising, etc. Let us wait and watch what happens. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section According to you, what is the percentage chance of market corrections after elections? If you think it's 25%, type 25%. If you think it's 50%, type 50%. So whatever you think, what is the chance of correction after election results? Type the percentage in the comment section. My guess is that around 30-35% chance is there of market correction. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.